Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2015 Escape SE in magnetic with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. This has a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine and it's an all-wheel drive. It's also an EcoBoost. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. And we're just going to get in there. Trip 1, Trip 2, information, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing the CD player up top and a 4-quadrant screen down below. Top right is navigation, bottom right is climate, top left is phone, and entertainment is on the bottom left. And this is a touch screen. Oops, let's get rid of that volume there. And so you have the choices of AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, USB, as well as Bluetooth stereo and SD card. You can go back home for different options, and this is also where you're going to see your backup camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse. Below is your volume and tuner. There's your hazard lights, and down below is dual climate control for both driver and passenger. You also have AC and max AC, and your fan is there, as well as your front and rear defrost. You have an automatic select shifter, and in the center here you're seeing heated seats for driver and passenger, as well as the 12-volt your emergency parking brakes right beside the driver, a couple of cup holders, and then you have your armrest. When you click to the right or the left, it doesn't matter, this is a single one. You have lots of storage. You have USB, SD card, and AV line in. And off on the passenger side, you've got your glove compartment, a manually dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and then you also have a powered moonroof, so we can push the button and slide that right open. And there's also a screen that comes across, so if it's a really sunny day and you just don't want that much light or heat on your head, you can close it right up and slide that across. And then there's a grab handle on the passenger side to make it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, keyless entry keypad. The back hatch has a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and your backup camera's just below that Ford badge. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, dual exhaust, and when you want to open up that tailgate or that lift gate, all you have to do is put your hand inside the handle here, and it'll open it up easily for you. Inside, it's nicely carpeted. You've got a light off to the side, as well as a 12-volt. There's also hooks and bins to be able to tether things. And then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle on the right. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and it's now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You can simply push the button on the headrest and it'll bring it right down. And then there's a lever at the base of the seat. You pull this up and the seat will come down. You now have access to the back cargo area. And on the back of the seats, there's anchors to be able to tether baby seats. Easily lift the seat back up with one hand and a push, and then flip up the headrest. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's carpeted mats on the floor and some pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. You also have a 110-volt and air vents, and up above, hooks, handles, lighting, and that panoramic view. Passenger side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the back windows, roof rack and rails, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.